Hi guys, andito kami sa UW. Ayan o, UW Cherry Blossom. Ganda o. Para siyang nag-i-snow dahil ang lakas ng hangin o. Tingnan niyo naman siya guys. Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo siya o. Ganda. Kasi nasa lakas ng hangin niya yung nandito na lahat yung tingnan siya. Ayan si Brian.
Honey, take one of me. I don't have a picture of myself. You take one of me?
I'm making live now. See,
Huh?
I'm making a live. I'll take a picture.
Edward, can you take my picture?
Hold on. Hi! Give me.
Ed, can you take my picture for me?
Sige, tingnan siya. Para siyang nag-i-snow ngayon. April 7. So, ayan. Mahangin. There's Rhea. Hi, Rhea! You dancing? Are you dancing? Ayan siya. Ang ganda. Tingnan siya. Pink lang yung ano. There's Rhea. Nag-i-snow na bulaklak. See, it's beautiful. Look at that.
Are you still live on your phone now?
Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.